go down.
Go.
Let go.
Hey Val, did you miss me? Vincent is trying to grab you. You missed. Vincent, you gotta catch up. Paddle, paddle. Kick your feet. Kick your feet. Push off of the wall.
Valerie, don't do that.
Kick, you're gonna get mommy stuck. Ha! We got the foot. They won't let us hold you going down the rapids.
Yeah.
That's it. Can you loop your foot on the front?
Nope.
Uh-oh.
Give me your foot. Give me your foot.
Okay. I don't think we're allowed
Apparently you can go around and
Only
get
on
rapids.
this kind,
As
but
long
not
as
the
you can find a
raft.
Or you can bring the same raft.
And you can
Sissy,
do it
get
right before the conveyor belt too,
Yeah.
because those two other girls got on there.
Is Victor sitting on your feet?
He's sitting on my feet, yeah. Well, he won't fall through that way.
Oh, there's birds. Oh,
Looks like he's
cutie.
gonna be in the lead. Maybe. I don't know. Vincent's in front of us.
I'm getting
Sit down,
everybody
sit down, Sissy.
by pushing
Sit
off
down.
Dad and pulling Mom and pulling Dad.
No, no, no,
Off
Sissy.
of one raft and boom.
Sissy, you don't. No, you're. My arm is not that great.
Oh, okay. Sorry. That's nothing.
Is this the end?
No.
No, not
Look like
quite
where we
yet.
started.
There's 3 more.
Sissy,
Remember where we crossed over? That's where the end is.
We have
Sit
2
down.
more or 3 more because we're at
Sit,
7
sit,
right
sit.
now. Holding on. Everybody, let go.
let go.
Let go.
Wanna hang on? Hang on, Vincent. Hang on, hang on, hang on.
Baba, get down.
Nobody's keeping track of this one.
Hold on, Sissy, hold on.
Lift your butt, Vincent. Lift your butt.
Why lift your butt?
That looks scary. You see the coconuts?
There's coconuts?
Some of them.
Oh, right there. I see it. The coconuts. Right there, there's coconuts.
Vincent passed us, no fair. That's the end.
This is the end?
Once we get up there.
We're down this side of the back.
Is there another rapid?
Nope, that was it.
That's it, okay.
'Cause that's where we got out of the water where we crossed over.
Oh, was it this part?
Yep.
I don't.
Do it one more time.
Oh, wait.